going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to talk about here is a quick stock market rundown for tomorrow's trading. We're going to review DJT, which is currently in a nice short cover wave, and with Friday's short sell analysis, it looks as though that this thing stands a very great chance to continue. And also, I'm going to be giving you a small little treat here in today's video, and that is a great options call that is going to be a easy return. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out Palantir. As you all know, this thing is headed towards our new price target of $57. But if you're looking to get in this thing, I'm going to be giving you a nice buy range, which we should see a flash of this week. Also, we're going to take a brief look at Affirm, ladies and gentlemen. This is a stock that you do not want to miss out on in the month of October, because I feel as though that this thing has at least a 20% return in the month of October from the prices that we see here today. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. And first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is PLTR. And if you're currently holding Palantir, can you please comment PLTR in the comment section below? Let's see if we can get 20 of those. And don't forget to set your reminder for tomorrow's live stream, which will be 9:30 a.m. Central Time. I will be going live, giving you guys in real-time alerts. So if that interests you, I will have this video link posted at the end of this one. So PLTR, as you all know, this stock has been performing pretty darn well, and we do have a upcoming earnings report next month. And with Palantir recently becoming one of the biggest software companies on the market, it's going to be a lot of eyes this quarterly report. So I do expect speculative buying to continue to roll into Palantir heading into this upcoming earnings. But what about Monday's trading? Well, coming off another strong day of trading, hitting another 52-week high and just 62 cents shy of its historical high. And this thing is ready to fly. I feel as though that we're going to reach that historical high here, reach and breach that early off this week, and we do expect a upcoming retracement here in Palantir. But never fear, because this is going to be a great buying opportunity for those that is looking to get into Palantir, or for those that is looking to slightly average down. So with that being said, if you're currently holding PLTR, like I said in the beginning of this video, can you please drop the ticker symbol in the comment section below? Let's see if we can get 20 of those comments. So all in all, Monday, I do expect a green day here for Palantir, reaching those $45 levels. But if the retracement does come into play, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for this thing to pull back towards those $38 levels. And remember, that is a great buy zone. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is DJT. And if you're currently holding this, let's see how many DJT shareholders is currently watching the video. Can DJT outpace the PLTR comments? Let's see. Now, as you guys can see here, DJT is in a great swing cycle resulting from a short cover wave. Now, with that being said, this thing is going to be severely overbought in a situation like this. And the reason why this thing is continuing to push up in price is, of course, FOMO off of the Trump pre-presidential run. That's where we're basically seeing, we're seeing a lot of retail investors and institutions buy this stock in anticipation that Donald Trump will win. And with 16 trading days left before said election, DJT can get to astronomical levels. I'm talking about $40 to $50 a share before that election even takes place. So again, all in all, this thing looks great. But what about Monday? Well, before we talk about it, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted TVGM for the entry price of 30 cents, with that price target being 34 cents plus. I alerted this back on the 10th. And if we take a brief look in, check out TVGN here really quickly. As you guys can see here, the stock has ran as high as 38 cents in the trading day, but $1.10 in the aftermarket hours, and that was less than 24 hours. So with that being said, if you do want to be a part of our Discord server so you too can get these alerts in real time, all you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, and let the gains begin. Now, far as DJT goes, guys, like I said before, Monday, we do see stacked short positions being taken here on Friday, which means we stand a great chance to see a cover wave take place here on Monday if we do see some nice pre-market price action. If we take a brief look and just check out that short sell analysis, as you guys can see here on the right side of the screen, 14.44% of the total trading volume was sold short. 4.8 total. No, sorry about that. Total short volume was 6.97 million here on Friday. And looking at our capital trend with those block orders showing heavy outflow and favorment, numbers that we haven't seen in DJT in quite some time on the outflow side of things, lets us know Friday more shorting went on than covering. And looking at Friday's price action, it's no huge sign of a mass portion of those short positions on the block orders being covered just yet. With that being said, if the pre-market price action does call for it, we may see a massive short cover take place throughout the trading day, and that is where we can visit those $28 to $30 levels here Monday. Now, on the other side of the fence, things can get pretty darn ugly if we do break through this mid-Bollinger Band to the downside. Now, we did do that here slightly, but we did break back towards the upper. And the reason why that is happening, ladies and gentlemen, is because of anticipation of this election backed by these heavy short positions that is being taken, and that speculation is basically wiping shorts noses, and when they're covering those shares, that is ultimately helping push the share price up in price. And before I reveal that easy money call option to you guys, I wanted you to take a brief look and check out Affirm really quickly. This is a play that is going to present a great buying opportunity here this week to play through earnings. All right, I do feel as though that Affirm is going to have a solid earnings, but you want to keep your eyes out on this thing for a buy zone. I do feel as though that buy zone is going to be sub $42 levels. All right, between $42 and $38 levels is where Affirm should return back to here shortly, and that is where you want to be a buyer. So with that being said, if you're currently thinking about buying Affirm, can you please comment thinking about it? And if you're currently holding it, comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. If we can get at least 20 of those comments, ladies and gentlemen, I will continue to update Affirm throughout this week. Now, far as DJT's easy money call option here, ladies and gentlemen, and that is, let's get this up really quickly. And if you made it this far in the video, can you please comment still here with you? I know I asked you guys to comment a lot here so far, but it really does help the channel grow. Not only that, I just want to do a quick test so I can do my videos a little bit different. If guys haven't made it this far in the video, then I will put the information a little bit closer towards the beginning. But that call option expires 11:01, 4 days before the actual election. We're not playing through the election, of course. That's too dangerous, but leading up into it, because we are banking on the speculation, right? So with that being said, we're looking at this $30 strike here, ladies and gents. All right, we're looking at this $30 strike here. Let's go to the quotes. All right, so we're looking at this $30 strike, expires here 11:01. Current price is $2.92. With that being said, though, I do feel as though that this is going to fetch a premium around $5, okay? And that's being the floor. I do feel as though that this thing is going to reach and breach those $30 levels here this week. But with the huge momentum heading up into those $30 levels, this contract is going to fetch a nice return on the premium for sure. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you are currently holding DJT and you're looking for a easy money call option, this is one that you may want to consider. If we take a brief look and just check out, if we do see this thing turn $30 here because I do think it'll hit it this week with the huge momentum that this thing has. Say this thing hits it here on Tuesday. Well, you'll make a 80% return on that. See if it hits Wednesday, a 70% return, so on and so forth. And this is a great tool that I like to use here on Moomoo. It is called the price calculator here for options. And guys, if you do want to use this tool, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant you 15 free stocks. Also, those 15 free stocks can value up to $2,500 each. That is free money, and you will have these awesome tools at your disposal. So again, use my sign up link while signing up for Moomoo and check out this options alert, and may the gains be with you.